In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Magic Write from Canva. So let's try it out. Magic Write is powered by AI, and all you need to do is to just give it a prompt and it will generate stuff for you. And I will share the link to this Magic Write in my video's description. So you can just click X here, or maybe just try it out from here too. Okay, so, so you can see that all you need to do is to just give it a prompt. So we can let me write here, create a YouTube thumbnail for my AI video on ChatGPT, and then click on generate. Let's wait for it. Okay, so what it has done is that, okay, now it has told you that what you need to do. um, so you can go on the left, and then from here you can follow this instruction and create it. Okay, now let's go back here, click on Canva Magic Write. It will open another window for you where you can try it again. Now if I click here again, it will take me to the Magic Write page. This seems a bit clunky for now, but that is fine. Now let me show you a few of the examples. So click on try an example. It says 5 Twitter posts announcing something. Click on generate. So again, it has generated this 5 Twitter responses for you. Now we can also ask it something like anything which we want to do, where um, you want to generate any text, or you want any help with Canvas product. What I'm really looking forward to here in future, that I will just write my prompt here, like create me a thumbnail. It should create me a thumbnail instead of giving me a text response. That is what my um, expectations are from Canva. But still a good start, and I am hoping that this Magic Write is going to be more and more cooler as the time passes. Please let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing. Yes.